Let's see how it works. First, we will pick our visa type and the name of our beneficiary. Then we will upload the required documents. This can be all the types of documents that work as evidence for the categories that you will be pursuing. For example, award certificates, membership certificates, conference speaker agenda, media articles, among others. Let's try the demo files for this video. Once all of your documents have been uploaded, you will see all of the criteria in which these documents match with the USCIS criteria. Now, here you can adjust all of the keywords that you want to be included in the letters, or else all the words that you don't want included in the letters. Now, let's see how the letter looks. Once your letter loads, you can see all of the things that have been included based on the documents you uploaded. But for instance, let's say that you want to fact check this section. You can check your sources, where you can see where all of this information has been taken and double check if you want to include it, or you can ask for it to regenerate. You can specify exactly what is it that you need, and you can also have advanced options where you can include or exclude letters from this section. Once you know that this is the letter that you like, you can copy your letter so you can work on it. Right too. Once your letter has been generated, you can read it and check where all of this information has been taken from. For instance, let's say that we want to fact check this section. We can just highlight it and check our sources. Here we will be able to see where all of this information has been taken from and check if it's something that we want to include. But if you want to, you can also regenerate, asking a specific prompt or including an allowed list of words or keywords that you want to include, or a block list of words as well. Once you have your letter and you feel comfortable with it, take 3. Once your letter has been generated, you can scroll and read if all of the letter has been made according to your needs. Or, for instance, fact check if all of the information that's been mentioned in the letter is accurate and correct. Here you will be able to see where all of this information has been taken from and determine if you want to include it or if you want to change it. And if you want to regenerate a part of your letter, you can ask it Once your letter has been drafted, you can read it and see if there's anything you would like to change. If, for example, you would like to know where this section has been taken from, you can just click Check Sources, and all of the places where this information has been taken from will show up for you to double check. Moreover, if you don't agree with this, or you want to regenerate it, you can add a specific prompt or include a set of words and keywords that you want to be included in the section or excluded from the letter. Once you go through the letter and decide that this works for what you're looking for, then you can copy it, and you will have your recommendation letter done and set in just a couple of minutes.